Danke bafethu, welcome back to Goli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-left back ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uCross. I didn't pay attention to yena kakhulu, but I'm discovering ukuthi-ke he's one of the most developed players ku-Betway Premiership. Why? Because of udevelopwe lo muntu lona kuma-world class facilities. Bamdevelophe eGermany for 2 years, bamdevelophe e-England for 2 years. Ngapha udlalele futhi udevelophe i-Bidvest Wits for 2 years, and i-Wits siyazi ukuthi bafethu ngey'khathi zabo beproduce obani. Baningi kakhulu abantu u-Wits ababaproducile. Before lapho i-development yakhe futhi bekuMpumalanga Black Aces, but-ke last e-England udlalele i-Newcastle United for 2 years, and then eGermany udlalele i-Schalke 04. Okusivezelayo noma okuvezayo bafethu ukuthi noma kusibonisayo ukuthi uyi-player elidevelophe kahle kakhulu. Obviously-ke akanayo lento le thina besiyi-expect-ile ukuthi lesi adlale njengoMarco i-left back yakhe une-style sakhe sokudlala i-left back, and naye washo kwi-interview wathi kahle kahle yena bengadlali i-left back, bedlala ilokhu njani i-centre back, yabo. But-ke he was converted to i-left back mebuya la e-South Africa, but-ke that's not his original position, but-ke ngoba uyi-professional bekumele a-adapt overall. But-ke mebuya e-South Africa, funny enough, i-Kaizer Chiefs azange msayine cause mebuya la e-South Africa, first option kwakuyi-Kaizer Chiefs around 2022 bafowethu. Late 2022 Kaizer Chiefs yambiza for i-trial ngo-2022. Uyatrayela but i-Kaizer Chiefs azange imsign, and then ngoJanuwari 2023 bafethu kula usayinwa eMaritzburg United, uyadlala kuMaritzburg United for 2023 kuphela, and then mayiphela isizini ujoin i-Golden Arrows. Golden Arrows nakhona udlala isikhathi eside, and then Kaizer Chiefs seyiyaya ku-Golden Arrows seyomsayina futhi, but umuntu engabe bamthola free of charge bafethu mebuya lena eGermany because of bekangakadlali ku-professional setup. Yeah, a big loss for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bamiyeke umdlali la phambi kwamehlo wabo, only for them ukuthi bamsayine 2 years late. But-ke siyazi ukuthi isikhathi sakhe naku-Kaizer Chiefs azange besingekho right from the beginning, but-ke I mean he's growing in confidence, uyabonisa ukuthi uyafuna ukurepresent i-team nanokuthi uyafuna ukuyilwela i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana. Udlalile naku-South Africa kuboma-under 20, under 23, because of he was one of the most developed players e-South Africa, especially uma udeveloper. I mean bayingakhi abadlali base-South Africa bathi bona bake badlala ku-Newcastle United ku-development yakhona. I mean angibazi abaphinde babuye bazodlala ku-Betway Premiership. So I mean i-hard work yakhe uyabonisa ukuthi uyi-hard worker futhi une-discipline umdlali. Ukudlala e-England akukho lula. Ufike kulawa ama-level lawa kusho ukuthi ngoba uyadeserve. I mean udiscipline mawumbhekile, i-talent elikhona, I mean ne-flay ikhona besingakaze siyibone nane-flay yakhe, but-ke siyibonile-ke at that time badlala ne-AS Simba laphana ku-continental level. Akanayo i-flay, in fact when I talk about flay, like taking players on, abe yile kunjani abafana ne-wing back, akanayo leyo nto leyo, but-ke in terms of just pure football, he's a good football player overall. Wenza izinto ezisimple, akacomplicate izinto, wenza izinto ezisimple, and lezo zinto lezo ziyamsebenzela. Siyazi ukuthi i-competition i-tough laphana ku-left back ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of even i-coach nabengabhiliveli kuye last season, but-ke umuntu akalahlwa bafethu. Ngiyohlezi ngisho kuma-clip amaningi ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa, uyamnika ithuba unless yena-ke akalisebenzisi lelo thuba lelo. They kept giving him opportunities. There was a time la kubonakala ngathi uzohamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke I mean this season nje is one of the most consistent performers laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. What a player bafethu, singakhohlwa-ke ukuthi kusasenama-player afana noShinga abangadlali. But ngibona i-comment la ku-comment section yami ukuthi ukhona ubhuti la bekathe uShinga o-right ku-Kaizer Chiefs, angabasiza laphana kuluboma left wing back, angakwazi ukubasiza, and la position ubani uMarco uke wadlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bebedlalisa abantu abawu-2, badlalisa uCross and then phambi kwakhe badlalisa uMarco. Yes, ngikhuluma ngoMarco, uke wadlala kuleya position le. Same kuya ngokuthi I mean i-formation at the end of the day izodictate noma izodictate ukuthi badlala kanjani, because of they've tried that formation but create some opportunities through their formation. I mean the saddest thing which they were not able to take those opportunities, to convert those opportunities to goals. That was the biggest problem with Kaizer Chiefs overall, but otherwise yeah, i-versatility in terms of ama-players wabo inkulu. Bayakwazi uku-adapt kuma-different settings and different environments. UCross is one of, I think uCross ngimbeka noMthethwa, but uMthethwa udlale almost like every game. But yeah, uCross naye is one of the standout performers for iKaizer Chiefs this season. Umlungu umisele into eserious, hhayi futhi indaba yokudlala. So ngimfisela inhlanhla nje overall laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, ukuthi aqhubeke njalo asibonise umlungu ukuthi akazelanga ukuzodlala, uzodiliva ngempela ama-results. Awana ngena kwezinye iy'ndaba zaku-P_S_L ezinye. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoSaleng. USaleng-ke this past weekend udlale kahle kakhulu bafethu laphana kulokhunjana ku-Orbit College. Uthole ne-man of the match, ushaye igoli from the sports and then wabana ne-assist. Umuntu akalahlwa futhi uSaleng bafethu, umuntu akalahlwa ngempela. Log standing laphana, Kaizer Chiefs njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ihleli ku-number 4 laphana ilingana nama-points ne-Orlando Pirates. It's funny ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs they've been really struggling in terms of getting ama-wins, but they still there competing for the league. So the league is for the taking for anyone ngempela obonayo ukuthi angakwazi ukukhompyutha, ongakwazi ukuphakamisa isandla sakhe laphana asho ukuthi okay, I'm here to compete and I'm not backing down. So that could be the league could be the most exciting thing in terms of like ukuthi compete ama-team amaningi for the honors, right? Asingene kuma-top goal scorers laphana ku-Betway Premiership so far bafowethu, since sibonile ama-game onge-weekend. Funny enough, like unexpected. I'm saying funny because it was unexpected ukuthi umuntu odlalela i-Golden Arrows kube leader ama-Chats lapha in terms of ama-goals. Nabe ngibheka uReynolds ukuthi alide, but it's not far off considering ukuthi uReynolds futhi khona ama-game angazange awadlale laphana bafethu because of uke wathinteka laphana ku-national team. Una-7 goals laphana uDion udlalela i-Golden Arrows, and then uReynolds number 3 nga-6 goals, and then uRob la naye no man, uDion una-7 goals, uReynolds una-6 goals, uRob una-6 goals, and then surprise package, uMahlambi odlala laphana ku-TS Galaxy una-5 goals, and umfana una-5 goals plus 2 assists, and then u-Eastern oke wadlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs naye una-4 goals, and then uThando Ngwenya, I think is striker lesedlalela amaZulu, naso sina-4 goals, and Matthews Mamelodi Sundowns 4 goals, and then khona umfana we-Stellenbosch laphana uLophile bafethu naye una-4 goals. The league is still long. Ama-team amaningi asadlala 10 games, amanye 9 games, Orlando Pirates. The league is very long. Asisho ukuthi iphelile manje, but as njengoba sibona lama-top goal scorers, it shows la ukuthi abantu abazowina ilokhunjana top goal scorer award abantu abazophuma kule list le. I don't think kuzokwenzakala umlingo ukuthi bazobuya kwenye indawo khona umuntu ozovela out of the blue akwazi ukushaya amagoli amaningi. I don't think so. But yeah, these are the players. Well, I'm impressed kakhulu ngo-Extien because of akasina yi-striker but kuna-4 goals already. So bayangimpress abantu abaningi abangadlali kuleyo position leyo ukuthi i-must ukuthi bashaye amagoli, but still labo bantu labo bakwazi ukuthola ama-results, bakwazi ukushaya amagoli for ama-teams wabo. Danko bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure bafethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.